G'day folks, I'm out here in the veggie patch today on a very special day. Today is World NF Day, or Neurofibromatosis Day. Now there's a special young man in my life, his name's Thomas, who was born with NF, and every year on May 17th we like to celebrate his journey through life with NF, the challenges that it's posed to him, and the successes that he has had in overcoming such a debilitating illness. Now, for those who aren't aware of what NF is a condition, a genetic condition that affects about 2.5 million people worldwide, about 1 in 2,500 people, and it promotes tumours on nerves throughout the body, amongst other things. That's probably its most diabolical um, trait, unfortunately. And Thomas has had to deal with that throughout his young life, only just turning 18 last year. Now, while I like to get out here and garden, it just reminds me that not everybody has the ability to do these things because of the way luck or fate has treated them. And so today is World NF Day, May 17. I want you to go to ctf.org.au, that's the Children's Tumour Foundation. Make a donation. Think about young Thomas, the challenges that he's had, and the way that we get to do things like this that not everybody gets to do. So get in there, make a donation, and happy gardening.